Hello everyone, how are we doing today? I am Lippy and today I'll be showing you how to logically teach forward counting to a first grader. Forward counting is the basic ability to sequence things and also to quantify them. When a child first learns to count, they understand that things can grow or lessen and that these things have names. It is the very basis of anything arithmetic. So are we ready to go beyond? Let's take a look at this problem. Which of the following has the correct forward counting order? Let's come up with a strategy first. I'm going to check and eliminate to understand what I'm left with. Beginning with option A, I need to check if all numbers from 3 to 8 are listed correctly. Let's make use of some blocks to understand this better. If I start with one block, I should then have 2 and then 3 and lastly 4. I'll make groups of these. Now, I need to understand what is missing in the given options. I have a 3. I should then have 4, which I do. So far, so good. Going ahead, I need to have a 5 as per the given quantities and then a 6. Oh, the 6 is missing, which means this isn't a correct way. Moving on to option B, I need to have a 5, then 6, then 7, which I do. I then need to have a 8 and 9, which seem to be missing. So this isn't a correct forward counting. And finally, moving on to option C, I realize that I can do this by my ability of counting numbers from 1 to 10. So let me count and begin with 6. Oh yes, this seems to be the correct forward counting. Let me check option D anyway. Oh, it seems to have a missing number 2. So this validates that option C is the correct answer. Likewise, with more practice on questions like these, students can gain fluency and understand the logic behind how forward counting works. This in turn will help them understand the basis of backward counting. Why the use of multiple choice questions, you may ask? Well, it's because when there are options, students are forced to think, analyze, evaluate, and choose. All important life skills as they learn math. We now know what to do, but let's also understand what not to do. Remember, teaching counting to a child should not be done in a procedural manner. It should always be taught as an increase in quantity. When taught poorly, by memorization, like 3 after 2, 7 after 6, counting ruins the number sense for a child. For example, they can never visually imagine what 100 blocks would look like, or differentiate 100 from 150 blocks if they were to see it visually. Lastly, to ensure that your child fully understands this concept, they must memorize number names and symbols. They should be able to relate to it, just like you would if you were thinking of country names or planets. I hope you found this helpful, and if you would like to know more, please book a free demo at gobeyondsskool.com. Like, comment, share and subscribe. See you at the next one.